and welcome. My name is Dominika Obważanek and I am a Senior Application Engineer here at DNB Audiotechnik. We are coming to you today from Hall 14 at our headquarters in Backnang, Germany. DNB's journey over the past 44 years is one of applied evolution, each step building on the one before. It is innovation combined with dependency. An investment in our system grows with you as your business grows and your needs grow. For DNB, directivity control has been a constant obsession. It involves a lot of engineering, or what our users lovingly refer to as German voodoo math. Why do we do it? We do it because directivity control allows system engineers, sound designers, and mixers to ensure the highest quality of listening experience, even in the most challenging acoustic environments. When I am designing systems, the benefits of broadband directivity are immediately obvious. It allows me to ensure less reflections, more clarity, higher speech intelligibility, and greater gain before feedback.
Since the introduction of the SL series in 2018, DNB's vision for the benefits of broadband directivity control with low-frequency cardioid behavior has proven to be correct. Today, the most prominent world tours and the most prestigious performance venue installations choose DNB's cardioid solutions.
From GSL to KSL to XSL, with each system introduction we were told, this is amazing, but can you make it smaller? So we had to think hard how to deliver the benefits of broadband directivity control to smaller, closer audience areas, more installation application, to a wider set of customers and at the right price point.
But we've realized that the answer to the question, can you make it smaller, is not the only dimension we should think in. Instead, we must define what is a truly meaningful set of features for the intended applications and then find out if that can be made cardioid. Today, DNB proudly introduces the CCL Compact Cardioid Line Array, the first member of the CL series.
Let's visit our head of R&D system design, Matthias Christner, in the acoustical lab to learn more about the CCL design.
CCL is a two-way passive design, using only a single amplifier channel, in contrast to the acoustically three-way or two-way active designs of the SL series. We have made a significant evolutionary step, making our patented passive cardioid technology applicable over a wider bandwidth, which, by the way, resulted in a new patent. CCL has a unique transducer configuration, two 7-inch, two 5-inch and two 1.75-inch HF drivers. It features the well-known industry-standard DNB hardware and software workflow. It is the first and only passive full-range cardioid solution in the compact line array category. It makes many of the popular and valued SL series features accessible in a very compact system package. Additionally, with the CCL system, we are introducing a new approach to HF driver and waveguide integration. The new solution offers quite a few valuable advantages. The most important one is a clear reduction of distortion. Stay tuned for details to be disclosed. Of course, there will be matching dedicated flyable CCL mobile and installed system subwoofers, CCL sub and CCLI sub. The CCL sub is also a passive cardioid design using a single amplifier channel only, with a 15-inch driver in a bass reflex configuration in the front. In the rear, we find a 10-inch driver in a bandpass chamber. It makes use of some of the newly developed evolutionary steps we made for the CCL top to achieve the cardioid directivity pattern. The tuning of the resonators and the port designs offer significantly reduced port noise and a wider usable bandwidth, which is especially helpful in mixed arrays with CCL.
In addition to superior high-frequency headroom and power density and efficiency, CCL follows the traditional family structure of most DNB line array systems. We have the usual 80 and 120 degrees horizontal dispersion variants, as well as dedicated install and mobile versions.
For the cabinet hardware, we followed the well-known 3-point DNB rigging system. Or in other words, if you can rig DNB, you can rig CCL. There's a whole range of rigging accessories to facilitate all thinkable mounting variants: individual hangs, mixed hangs of subs and tops, ground stacks and pullback. The system travels 4 high in an aluminum cart, and every cart has storage space for any of the frame options as well as all other rigging accessories. And if you're wondering about the cabling system, there will be no surprises with CCL. And it's the same with the rest of the workflow, including array processing. If you can deploy any D&B system, you can deploy CCL.
CCL is a next-generation cardioid alternative for applications below XSL, currently served by Y-Series and T10. CCL is passive. This means that one amplifier channel can drive 2 linked CCL cabinets. There are setups for 40D, D40, D80 and D90. These amplifiers drive CCL to its full output under any load conditions. And of course, there are also setups for the D20 and 30D. This means, for example, that with a 3-amplifier rack, you can power 8 tops and 4 subs per side. CCL is a step under XSL in a cabinet that is significantly lighter and smaller than Y-Series. CCL-I represents a new paradigm for small auditoria, theaters, house of worship, sports arenas, multipurpose venues, and immersive audio applications. For the CCL mobile applications, we're talking about corporate rental, regional touring and festivals, and in larger events, as an ancillary system to SL series arrays used as side fills or infills.
So whatever type of application you find yourself in, the vibrant energy of a stadium, the creativity, storytelling in theatre, the intimacy of delivering the word in houses of worship, CCL can deliver and perform in a manner that is without comparison in its class.
So, Ali, are we ready to send CCL out into the market?
Yeah, absolutely, Santi. Our quality processes have all been hugely advanced by our new production facility here in Backnang. The colleagues here are already manufacturing the first systems for you.
Sounds great.
We are so excited and are looking forward to welcoming you guys to visit us here in Backnang anytime.
Thank you, Ali and Santiago. We are so excited to introduce CCL to you in person. We would love to invite you to listen to CCL at the upcoming international trade shows of NAM and ISC, or at special CCL demos and trainings in your territory through 2025. We thank you for joining us today. You can see more detailed information on our website at dbaudio.com.
And there is much more we have to share with you in 2025. So stay tuned. We look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.